my journey as a school teacher, I got an opportunity to work with Nisar sir as a Mandal Resource Person, MRP, for nearly 6 to 8 years. In this long journey, with many ups and downs, I had learned many things from him. He has instilled confidence in me by his words of encouragement, confidence, and suggested me the ways to face difficult situations from time to time in an effective manner. I can never forget his valuable and effective suggestions during the tenure. Having Nisar sir as a co-worker and a big brother has been not less than a God's gift for me. He is a man full of energy, enthusiasm, discipline, and inspiration. Just as flowers spread fragrance wherever they are kept, the teachers spread knowledge and wisdom wherever they go. Nisar sir had been a good teacher, activating magnets of curiosity, knowledge and wisdom among his pupils. माँ बाप अगर हयात है तो उस्ताद रूहे हयात है. माँ बाप अगर हयात है तो उस्ताद रूहे हयात है. तामीर जिंदगी में दोनों का हाथ है. He has saved number of Urdu medium schools from getting merged. हमारे बाद में ये रंगे चमन रहे न रहे, हमारा काम था हम गुलसितां सवार चले. He did what he can do in his tenure, but we wish he should be there with us later. Time has arrived to simply relax. You have done great, sir. Those are the facts. Now you can do whatever you wish. Go out for lunch or have a sweet dish. Countless issues you clearly resolved. With your guidance, the company evolved. You were definitely a key player. If you'd like, you could run for mayor. You encouraged us to succeed. Mutual goals we worked to exceed. Thank you for the way you did lead. We'll call you if there is something we need. You are our good friend. Best wishes we'd like to extend. With dedication you did serve. A happy retirement you deserve. Jazakallahu khair, sir, for your kindness always and your support on us. Thank you very much.